In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your Forex.com account to TradingView so you can analyze, place trades, and manage positions all in one place. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials and then hover to the product sections on the top corner and click the super charts. This will forward you to a new page. You want to make sure that the trading panel is enabled and hover down to the bottom left corner to see that it's toggled on. Here, you need to connect through the trusted broker by clicking the search button and find, of course, Forex. Click on it. Remember, if you connect these two, you can place trades directly on TradingView's charts using your Forex.com account. That means you don't have to switch back and forth between platforms. Your analysis and execution happen in one place. Because TradingView's charting engine is widely regarded as one of the best available, and with the help of Forex.com, you get real-time pricing and access to a wide range of markets, not just Forex. Okay, so you can monitor related assets like indices or commodities while trading FX, helping with broader market content. So linking these two means orders are sent through your Forex.com account infrastructure while all the analytical work stays in TradingView, giving you a seamless workflow from idea to execution. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.